Kajala Megalaya Hado Kashibaji Minski Joka Katsau Trek Unailar Arja Arpo, Gladan Lipasan would keep you Thamayo COVID-19, but Lipasan would keep Lakot no. Director Health Service MI, Dr. Amanwar, Lapante Banakini Lipasan would keep you Thamai, Katsau would Kidena East Cassius District, Hakbanyo would Kidekishipai BSF, Nyong would Kiru Paidba, Iwe in the Southwest Garo Hills District, but Arpo would the West Garo Hills District, Kibakintu Bikandri would Kishipai BSF, but Sound would Kiru Paidba. Nakinig live sound ki bakot pat live wengut ki na East Cassius District hakaba iwe day na Armed Force prangut ki BSF arpu arngut ki rupat ba arngut ki shipai BSF na West Garo Hills but iwe na East Jantia Hills District da kajing athamai ki ni live sangut but kajing ko no ki live sangut ka jala megalaya haru bapmi yakani ka khubor ka don shiaja aspa arpu pratali ki positive case in respa sa poitali ki active case Sanspa Prapo Italy ki recovered case ban reward ki blaklat no. Nakini Gindris pa sa po Italy ki active case ke East Cassius District kadan South pa kharkanda Italy. Hakaba Prapo sangut ki degi shipai BSF aspa andre pulaingut ki rupat ba ban nyo puingut naka Armed Force. Ka West Cassius District kadan Italy ki active case Southwest Cassius District Iway, Riboy District Prapulai, West Jantia Hills Kandrio, East Jantia Hills Sun, West Garo Hills Shispa R, Southwest Garo Hills Lai, South Garo Hills Lai, but North Garo Hills Kadon Rutali active case.
The details of the new cases, 35 new cases are as follows. East Cassius Hills 14. Out of this 14, 7 are BSF contacts. 1 is a returning from Haryana. 1 is a staff nurse of Civil Hospital Shillong. 3 are high-risk contacts. 1 is a contact with no travel history, and the contact tracing is still going on to find exactly from where the person had contracted this virus. 1 is a Sari case. Southwest Garo Hills 1, who is a returning from Assam. West Garo Hills 20, 16 are from BSF. 3 we got from random sampling at Fulbari CHC, and 1 is a worker from the Corona Care Center at Walbagri. Tamafi ko kajing I'm assuming ibra kalau mo dito. Kibubuon magini BSF kibrong positive. Macam pay hado kanong stop chung. Mentak sa stang tapo ta. Tega peni ba to. Mentak yo ni corona khasaw sing hadin saja. Dimilih kalau negatif lalu tu recover. Sementara kita pergi kan kita bagi recover, mungkin stress lagi kita bagi recover. Sementara kita recover kita hadu sanspatang. Sanspat berapa way? Ada 50%. Tapi ni company ba, kani ke new corona virus, umdanong berlen hadu kata-kata ni, berpecistam hadu kata-kata, nomor kita becistam, hadu mentang indan yang becistam jur. Mau kita becistam jur, kita dan jerha, kita dan jingship, kita menghap air oksigen, bodi kita ngilahap weng, no ikan oksigen, nama kita dan kamcu. Tega mut kani ka ini ya kadak jong jingkerman ni. But one kalawan ni kadak jingkerman kawan untuk jingjok kejut.